Hello and welcome to yet another episode of the Phone Game Person. I am the aforementioned Phone Game Person, and today we're going to play the 84th game in the Farlight series, which is Farlight 84. Now, that might be an exaggeration because I don't know if Farlight is a series at all, but the game is called Farlight 84. It is yet another multiplayer battle royale because we don't have enough of them already. So let's check it out, let's see how the game is, and let's see how it is played. So this is the map, which I'm really not a fan of these kind of games, which is evident from the quips that I make about them. But what if this game is different, right? What if this game is better? What if this game? Okay, so um, we have the standard graphics here. Um, we have this jetpack ability that needs to be recharged, um, and we have a dash ability that needs to be recharged as well. We have your basic jump. I guess there's a crouch. Yeah, there's a crouch. You can't actually lie on the ground, but yeah, there is a crouch, and then there's your fire button. So as you can see on the screen, it's very similar to all the other battle royale games out there. What makes this different, or what might make this different, is the floating ammo, I guess. I don't know. We'll have to check it out. Um, Seems quite standard to me so far. Um, about the graphics, I suppose they look very similar to. Well, again, look. Okay, let's see how this fires. So I'm gonna have a small practice session here. See if. Okay, so that didn't work out. Anyways, it's basically like every other battle royale game. I mean, if you're playing the game that I don't talk about, or Call of Duty or some other game like that. If you okay, this is new. So we are not on a plane. We are in pods, and these are all the players that are involved in the whole thing. Um, I think I kind of like the aesthetic of how this all is, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I don't want to follow anyone. Okay, how do I get out? Is my okay? So I guess mm, I'm just going to follow someone so that I can get out. I think that my that the okay. So I'll just get out here, I suppose. And that didn't work out very well for me. The extraction. Oh, I can actually create flares. I don't know what that's useful for, but I can create flares, I guess. Oh, okay. I think I can give myself a little bit of a boost. I don't know if that's useful though. Okay, so I'm here in a building, and all right. So yeah, there's already somebody here. There's already somebody here, and they've ignored the gun, which is, well, I haven't. Oh my god. Okay, what's going on? I haven't really. I don't really consider a lot of players here to be very particularly very smart. This being a new game, and with okay, that's just my way of being polite. But yeah, this guy just ran past me, and he chose not to do anything about it, which makes me think if he's a teammate. But then again, I don't know. Okay, so there's somebody there. I'll see if I can. So I'm very bad at these games. So if you're watching this for the gameplay, please don't, because it's okay. So let me just, there you go. But then, all right, fine. So there. Come on, what's happening? Okay, don't these people die? So now I'm not at the liberty of. Okay, is that the same guy or the same costume? I think it's the same costume. Okay, so I'm not at the liberty of changing my my guns, because I was smart enough to have my logo over the place where. Oh, no, I think, yeah, there's okay. So while you listen to my incomprehensible rants, I'll just pick up this. Okay, so I think I've killed 3 or 4 people, which I think is a good. It's a good. Okay, I want a machine gun here, because the more elaborate the weapon, the more dislocated I become. Okay, so there's another guy over here, which who I'm going to wait. I think there are zombies in this. So there are zombies and robots. Okay, so yes, of course. Why not? All right then. Using this thing right here, I'm going to get into the circle, because there has to be a circle in a battle royale game. A circle, a safe zone. So yeah, what do I have to say about this? The graphics aren't really the deal with these games is that the higher the graphics and the more realistic it looks, it's better. So that's basically what happens in these. What the requirement of these games is. Okay, should I? I think okay, I think I can do that, but would I want to? Okay, let's see. Because okay, no, I want to go there. I don't want to go there, because I need to stay inside the circle. Obedience is the key to any successful multiplayer game, battle royale game. I wouldn't call it like I wouldn't put that tag on every multiplayer game, but yes, every battle royale game you have to be obedient. Obedience is rewarded by. Okay, so I'm just going to kill everybody in my side, because of course they can't compete with this mecha that I'm. Okay, is this a mecha, or is this like an extension of? Okay, so hello, hello. Why are you even trying? I mean, just run away. I'm not fast. Use your head. Okay, fine. So yeah, that I've done. This is what I've done. Okay, so is this? I want to see if this is a promotional thing. If they're going to ask me money mid game, okay. I think they're going to ask for money mid game. So oh, I can jump. I don't know how to get out. Okay, I just found out. So bye. Look at that. I can, of course, I can purchase things mid game, because why waste the opportunity of earning money whilst people are playing? Wonderful and very ethical, I must say. Anyways, I'm not a fan of the I'm not a fan of these kind of. Okay, so I just spotted someone, and I'm going to fire at them. But then this is okay. So this is not a player. This is a zombie. There are zombies in this game as well, just to make matters a little bit more complicated for players. Um, my basic strategy is just to run towards the center of the map. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to place a marker there and run towards the center of the map, whilst killing anyone who dares um, and tries to stop me. So that's basically the entire plan. That's what all the battle royale games are about. The redundancy of these kind of games astounds me. Yet I cannot help but play them. So I guess if there's any loser in this entire affair, it's me. So all right, let's fire at this guy and kill him there. So that he's dead. Um, can I trample him? I'll try to trample him. Yep, I can. Oh my god. Okay, that was gritty yet satisfying. That's it was good. It was good. It was good. Do I have a boat? Okay, so there's something here that I think. Okay, there's a beacon. I don't know what the beacon does. There's a lot of information here, isn't it? Okay, so should I turn it on? So I've turned it on, but I don't know what I've done. What is this? Should I turn it on? Okay. So bombardment is incoming. That's what the message said. But then I'm busy doing something. and I don't know what I'm doing, but it seems necessary. So there. Okay, so okay, so this is how you get new weapons. That's all right. That's all right. So okay, I'll get back into my thing and see if I can jump across. Oh, okay. Expecting that to work was stupid, but yeah, it's okay. So yeah, I do have a team here. So it's a team of 4 people, as is in every 4-player battle royale game. That's player 3 over there. He's doing his thing. He's happy with his life over there. I don't know where player 2 is. Everybody's named player in our group. We're the group of players. We like to keep it simple. So there is player 2. Player 2 is doing his thing over there. I don't know what player 2 is up to though. He's just driving around in his car. I don't know why he's approaching the edges. You never approach the edges, right? I don't know. I don't know how what the etiquettes of playing these kind of games are. But yeah, there's things happening. I am in the center right now, and as you can see, there's just a lot of guns and a lot of ammo lying everywhere. And none of these guns make sense to me because I don't know what they do. Like I don't know what perks. Wait, what is this? Wait. Something is happening. Something good is happening to me. Okay. I guess it's increasing the charge of my. Oh, player 3 died. Where's player 3? I have to. Okay, I have to find player 3. Player 3 was just was nearby, right? I guess, but no, he's dead. If I could help him, I would help him. I think I should go and try to help player 2, but player 2 seems to be doing fine on his own. Okay, let's see. Let's go and meet up with player 2. Player 2, player 2. Player 2 is across the mountain. It's going to be a very romantic meeting. Okay, somebody just fired at me. Someone just fired at me. Okay, someone just fired at me again. Okay, so that's who fired at me. Who is it that fired at me? Okay, so what? I just. Who is firing at me? Okay, what's going on? Oh, there you are. There you are. See, I don't know. Am I playing good or is this very easy? I guess this is very easy because I've seen those videos where people are playing and it's crazy out there. I guess because we are at a lower level, everybody like kind of sucks in this game. Basically, that's what's happening. I guess. I still want a machine gun because I can fire multiple times. Okay, I'm kind of outside the circle, so I have to be inside the circle. Push the moment button. Okay, no. You don't get to shoot at my teammate. Okay, there you go. So that guy is killed, and what does he have? He has nothing that I would need. But then there is another guy or girl, person, and that person is dead. So that's 2 down. Where's my teammate? Player 2. Player 2. Where is player 2? Okay, so I'm not going to bother about player 2 because I don't care really. Okay. No, but I have to. At least I should I feel like I should meet him once before this all ends. We do share the same name, so all right. So that's that. I don't think. Is he hiding? Is he one of those? Is he like a person who hides till the end of the game and then just kills the last person who's alive? I think he's that kind of a person. Is my okay? Somebody just okay. Was it you? Was it you? Were you shooting at me? So now that's not a glitch. That's actually a power that you can use in this game. But it isn't. It's redundant because I don't know. I don't know. It might be useful in certain scenarios, but to me it is redundant. What else do I need? Okay, so everything seems fine. right now. Everything seems fine. Everything is seems to be is fine. Yes, that's the words that I'm going to go for. Okay, so I need to be in the center of the circle, which incidentally is inside one of these buildings. So I have to be inside buildings. I don't like being inside buildings at the end of these kind of games because people can sneak up on you. But it's okay. I'll survive. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Look at that. See now, I want to be standing at the top of something and be very visible to other players so that they then decide to act upon it and come my way, and then I kill them. That's my plan. That's my entire plan. I have still not found my friend who is player 2, but then I have an idea. I'm just going to get in this car and I'm just going to sit here. Yeah, I'm just going to sit here. This, but then can I shoot? Okay, I can't shoot, so I have to get out. Okay, that was stupid. Most things I do are. So I'm just going to stand here in the open ground and keep looking here and there. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, that's probably the best course of action for me right now. So, okay, somebody fired at me. Somebody fired at me. This guy fired at me. Okay, hello, hello. Yeah, that is done. There's a very small circle here, and I am in the center of it. I'm just going to check if I'm kind of in the center of it right now. So I'm not going to depend upon the map anymore because I can see this thing of death. Thing of death. That's what I'm going to call it. Thing of death. So I can see it approaching. So I don't really have to rely on the map to be at the center of the party. Um, wow, this is, I don't know. I mean, it's I understand why this might be fun to people, but I guess this is comparable to fast food. You know, this has to be comparable to fast food because anything other than okay, victory. That's yeah, of course. So we won. Me and oh, player 2 was dead. No wonder I couldn't find him. That's just okay. Alright, so of course I was the MVP in this because I don't know, everybody else sucked. So yeah, that's 12 kills for me. Damage dealt was 1477. I don't know what the unit for this is. Damage taken is 80, and yeah, that's that. So this is that's the game. So it's basically like playing any other game, but then there's a perk of dashing and jumping a little bit higher than everybody than other games because everybody else has that power. So it just puts you on a level playing field. Uh, okay, so bronze 5 something something something. I think you can craft things over here. So yeah, that's this game. And if you want to download it. If you want to play it. I won't judge you. But if you're looking for a newer experience, I don't know if this would give you that. It would give you different graphics and a different map maybe, but I guess that's all there is to it. So yeah, that was me, the phone game person. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see any game that I should be playing, okay, that was a very wrong sentence that I said. If you want me to be playing any games that I then record and put up on the internet, do mention it in the comments. That's my time, and bye bye. Keep gaming, I guess.